How to redeem Starbucks gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use or redeem your Starbucks gift card online. In order to redeem your gift card online, what you need to do is first thing, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that is starbucks.com/gift, and don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave it on the description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site and this is how it's going to look like. And in the top right corner, you'll be able to see sign in or join now option. So if you already have an account, then click on the sign in button and log in into your account. But then if you don't have an account, then what you need to do is click on join now, and then you'll be taken to the sign up page where you need to provide in your personal information, account security and your contact information, and then a list goes on. And right in between, you'll have an option as already have a Starbucks gift card. Click on this option and then enter in the card number and the security code that will be located on the card, or if you haven't received a card, then it might be on the email through which you have received a gift card. As soon as you enter in the card number, and if you already have an account, all you need to do is click on your profile icon, and after that you need to go towards your payment section and you'll be able to see this kind of interface such as gift card. So all you need to do is just click on it, and after that you need to enter in the card details and you've successfully redeemed your gift card online. So in this way you can redeem your Starbucks gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.